If you are my regular viewer, you know that on every Monday I share my weekly video. But I also committed that throughout the week I'll share my random videos as well. So please subscribe and turn on the notifications. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great and had a wonderful week so far. Stay with me and watch this video till the end. And I hope this video can help you and it can blow your mind. So stay with me and watch this video till the end. Do you agree? No one can make a change in our life on our behalf. We have to take personal initiative and personal responsibility. We never change for someone. Someone can be the reason. But to make change, to lead change in our life is our decision. For example, teachers. They open the door for us, but we have to enter by ourselves. Do you agree with that? If we are willing to make change in our life, we have to make a decision. We have to take personal initiative and personal responsibility. Before I give you an example of teachers help us in opening a door, but we have to enter by ourselves. God provided us everything on this planet Earth, but it's up to us, it's our decisions how to use them. You cannot experience change after watching this video unless you think about it, unless you make a decision to ponder upon these things, to think about these things, to spend some time with yourself and to think. If you want to make something happen, do something that help you to make that happen. Make a decision to change your life, to change your story, to experience impact in your life. You have to take personal initiative. You have to take personal responsibility. Don't rely on others. Don't rely on your teachers. Don't rely on even God. Do you know why I mentioned that don't rely on God? Because He already given you one mind to use it. So use it and make right decisions, experience right changes in your life. For daily motivation, inspiration and empowerment, you can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And you can also like my page on Facebook. And for latest coming videos, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. And don't forget to watch rest of my videos, and you can find the link below or you can check it here in the corner. At the end, I would like to say decisions leads our life. So take right decisions, make right decisions and experience positive changes and successes in your life. God bless you all. Thanks for taking time to watch this video.